Hey guys! So in today's video, I'm going to try to say a few tongue twisters in different languages. Now, I'm a huge fan of languages, and if I could, I would speak every single language in the world. But I can't, and I don't speak most of the languages that I'm going to try to speak today. So, yeah, just enjoy, and I guess here goes. She brews a proper cup of coffee in her cup of coffee pot. She brews a proper cup of coffee in her cup of coffee pot. She brews a proper cup of coffee in her cup of coffee pot. 知道不知道，知道要说知道，不知道就说不知道，不要知道说不知道，也不要不知道说知道，要老老实实，实事求是。Pablo papito clapón clapito, que clapito clapó Pablo papito. Pa que pe pa pa ca papita pa ca pe ya pa ca papita pa que paeco pa que pingu pingu pa que pa ca papita. Het halil ala hetem halil, het halil ala hetem halil, het halil ala hetem halil. 3 tigres tristes para 3 patas de trigo, 3 patas de trigo para 3 tigres tristes. A topacatapui, pui popalulitis. A topacatapui, pui popalulitis. A topacatapui, pui popalulitis. Namamugi, namakome, namatamago. Namamugi, namakome, namatamago. Namamugi, namakome, namatamago. Fisches Fritze fischt frische Fische. Frische Fische fischt fisches Fritze. Chacun son choix se dessert sur celui suivant son chemin. That's it? I'm sorry if I butchered your language, but it's my first time, so... But if you have any tips on how I can improve, just leave a feedback in the comment section and let me know about it. Thanks, and see you next time!